Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming the essentials fast. Ensure your system clock and browser cookie policy aren't blocking sessions, because mismatched times or blocked cookies cause looped redirects. Next, open a private or incognito window to bypass extensions and stored state. This isolates whether the issue is local. While doing that, copy the failing URL and note when it began, as this helps trace whether it's site-side or your device. Once done, proceed to clear site-specific storage and cookies for that domain. Now you'll dig into the middle steps. Clear cookies and site data only for the affected domain so you don't lose unrelated sessions, because a bad cookie often triggers loops. Disable all browser extensions, then enable each extension one at a time to reveal a conflict. Many ad or security tools rewrite requests. If the error persists, test the same URL in a different browser or on another device to determine whether the server is misconfigured versus a local problem. Finish by validating server behavior. If you control the site, review redirect rules, HSDS settings, and cookie attributes like same site and secure flags, because incorrect chaining or conflicting flags causes redirect storms. Use developer tools to inspect response headers, look at location, set cookie, and the 3xx status codes to pinpoint the loop source. If you still see the error, flush DNS cache and try another network or a VPN to rule out ISP or cached proxy issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.